Hey guys and girls, and welcome to my small garage. I did some work on the vacuum pump and on the fuel pump, and while I was there I also changed the thermostat. Now unfortunately I didn't film it, but it's a pretty straightforward operation. First, remove the air filter housing. You have a link in the description, and also remove the battery support. If you do not want to remove the battery support, just remove the battery, but you'll not have enough room and you'll struggle a little bit. So I had highly advise to remove also the battery support. You have the link in the description. It's not difficult. Next, you have to drain the coolant installation. So just remove this hose here. It has a metal necklace. There you have to use a screwdriver and release it. Just be careful, you'll have a lot of coolant pouring, so use a big bucket. After that, just release this bolts a bit and slide the thermostat towards you. After you slide the thermostat, release this hose and this one. Just use a normal screwdriver. Unplug this small pipe by pressing these tabs and pulling out. And also you have another hose in the back, which is pretty difficult to see, but
you cannot miss it when you take the thermostat out.
remove this hose here. And also above this hose there is another one which you also have to remove. Finally, you have the temperature sensor. Let me show you on the one I changed. This is how the thermostat comes, and this is the temperature sensor. Now, my new thermostat came with a temperature sensor attached, but if yours doesn't, just pull out this safety pin and remove the sensor and attach it to your new thermostat. After you release these screws, just slide the thermostat out. If you do not have enough room, you can easily remove the studs also. I did not remove them. I had enough room to slide the thermostat and put in the new one. New thermostat. Let's refit it. The old thermostat came with this metal ring on this pipe, which the new one didn't. So I'll try to fit this here and hopefully will hold. Because otherwise I cannot put this hose back. So I improvise this and I will hammer it until it goes into place. Went in pretty well. Hope it will hold. First, rubber hose back. Use one of these pliers for this type of clips. It will make your life so easy. Done, in place. So the second one, it has this type of pin, and you have to insert it from the back. It has this holes here like this, and after that you have to click it in place and it's good. It clicked in place, and hopefully it will hold because it's a little bit loose, but I cannot push it further, and also it doesn't go out. So might be good. Next, I need the thermostat sensor to put it back, and here it is. Cool. Next hose. And the next one. But before I'm putting this one, there is another one in the back. That one should, that hose should have gone in the first. I still have room to put the clip on, but it will be a little bit difficult. The miracle key. Next one. And finally, this one. All hoses are back. Now I have to put the screws back, but first I want to put some coolant into the coolant tank and see if I have some leaks without any pressure in the system. So far so good, no leaks. Now I want to start it and see if I have any leaks. Now I will just check for leaks and refill the tank. Take the air out from the cooling circuit and I'm done.
Hope you guys find it useful. See you to the next one. Bye.